show you how to use scripting across multiple devices. Specifically, how to log in into a list of Cisco devices and perform a set of show commands. This script itself has two loops. The outer loop logs into the device. The inner loop executes the commands list. The script needs two input files, device list and command list. Both the device list and command list have to be specified in the script before you run it. To set the path for the two files, see line 17 and line 34. To set the username and password, see line 15 and 20. One very important point to add, we have to always have an exit command at the end of the command list so that the script knows when to exit the inner loop. Here is my setup. So as usual, I'm using ifng as my lab. The blue text would denote the host name. Let's look at also the two files we are going to use for this script. Let's look at device list first. So very simply, 4 devices. And the command for each device, there will be 3 commands for each device. The ifng bash is my management station, and from there I can ping to every device. So let's ping to S7. Works. Maybe V1. Works. The Linux is buggy and not including it in this demonstration. And now let's run the script. And that will be from the ifng bash. Before I do that, I need to log the session. Let's just log it to desktop. So notice that the script is not running. Now let's just make sure, okay, it's locked. Let's run it. The last device is S8. It should stop here. Yep, it did. So let me just pause the capture. As you see, it logs into each device in the list and it ran the full set of commands. Okay, let's look at the output. Okay. That's all, folks. I hope this video is useful. In part 2 of the next video, I'll show you how to process the log that we have just captured so that it's easier to view. By the way, you can find this code in the GitHub under this video's description. Thank you all for watching.